Wow! Grabe. Ayan na naiiwag tandem ni Mr. Gary B. at ni Mr. Gab Valenciano. Kim, nakita mo naman, di ba? Tama yan, alam mo. Siguro next year kaya natin gawin yan. Kaya mo bang gawin yan, Kim? Before anything else, I'd like to also announce that this is the last performance of Gab, because he will be gone for 2 years, actually, to study recording arts in Full Sail University, Florida, USA. So he needs all your prayers. Anyways, thank you, Gab.
And Papa P, we have come to the supporting categories in acting.
Wow.
Exactly 10 years ago, you won your Best Supporting Actor trophy from the PMPC Star Awards na magiging grand slam pala later that year. Ang galing, no? Alam mo, ikaw na talaga yun.
Wow! Salamat, Kim! 2003 was indeed a memorable year for me. Dahil lalo ko napalapit sa Diyos because of that. You know, after winning all those awards for one film, Dekada 70.
Wow! At ngayon, sino naman kaya ang mas lalong mapapalapit kay Lord after winning the Best Supporting Actor and Actress Awards tonight?
So pagdating sa acting categories, hindi na po separate ang nominations para sa indie and mainstream. In other words, it doesn't matter whether lumabas ka sa isang small budget movie or a mainstream project. So, basta mahusay ka, mapapansin ka. Alright? And here to present them are Marky Strong, Sam Concepcion, and New Movie Actress of the Year, T.P. Dos Santos.
The second best performance is by an actor in a supporting role.
For Movie Supporting Actor of the Year, Carlo Aquino.
Alam mo, nangingit sa tao. Maningit tayo. Hindi ako nangingit sa'yo.
Napag-aaral ako.
Alam ko nung nag-aaral ka, hindi lahat ng